Bacon Mushroom Swiss Steak Burger. You're cooking with Inez from Wild Things Creative Crafting. Mushroom Bacon Swiss Steak Burger with the side of fries. Check out these new fall patterns at Dollar Tree. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this recipe. If you're new here, welcome. Consider joining our crafting family. Hello to all my new subscribers. To my OGs, thanks for the support. Thanks so much for watching. Welcome back to Wild Things Creative Crafting. Subscribe. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Like this video.